Do you ever wonder what to do with those leftover orange peels, lemon peels, any citrus fruit peels? Well, did you know that you can make a homemade cleaner with those peels? So I have here some orange peels and lemon peels. Let me show you how to make that homemade cleaner. Right here, I have some cleaner that I made up months ago. So we're going to open this and see how it smells and see how it turns out. I normally put all of my peels in a jar. Okay, so this has been sitting up for a few months. It's very concentrated, smells good. The oil that comes out of the peels, ooh, I waste some. So what I do is strain it out of the jar, and we're gonna make some new citrus cleaner. I let mine sit for a few months to make it very potent. Let me put these gloves on. And we're gonna start a new fresh batch. All you need is the leftover peels from your fruit, your citrus fruit, and some vinegar, white vinegar. Okay, I should have had these already on. Okay, so I'm gonna put the ones that I take out of this jar in this bag, and we're gonna start a new batch. Um, I just leave. Some people just use the peel only. I use the whole thing and just strain it afterwards. Get all the juice out. We go through so much cleaner each month that this is a good money saving idea. If you go through a lot of cleaner like I do, and you don't want it to be toxic, this is a great option. And you fill the jar up with as many peels that you can. I normally uh, put the peels in as I use them. That's why I end up sitting for so many months to get everything out because I add and fill as I go. It doesn't matter what size jar you start in. This is just one of the jars that I have with the cleaner. Okay. Okay. So this is how much came out the jar. It's very concentrated. Smells good. You don't have to add any type of oil, essential oils, because the lemon and the orange gives it a nice smell. So I'm just going to pour this in this jar. It's made a nice little size. Now, this is concentrated. You can use it this way strong, or you can go ahead and add some water to it. I like mine to be kind of strong. Like I say, you can get this size bottle or you can get a bigger bottle. Just depends on how much you make. But this is what I got out of it. Okay, and so I'm going to start my new jar. You just place your peels in here, stuff it, and as I use my oranges or lemon, I'll just keep piling it in, and you fill this jar up with vinegar. Cover it. You're going to cover everything in there. Leave a little space so when you add the other ones in. And this is how you make a homemade cleaner. To also be budget friendly, you can keep jars that you purchase other things in. Like this is a pickle jar. You can use a mason jar if you have those. But I just normally keep my jars, some jars like this, just to make that cleaner in. And we're gonna test this out. So let me get a rag. Okay. So this is the homemade cleaner. That's all you need. If you like this video, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for more easy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching.